Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VTGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts, not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. A very eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Although with the pullback, the chart, I'm not going to say the chart's ruined because that wouldn't be fair, but things are definitely looking pretty sketchy. And I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that there was this huge breakout move, price got all the way up there and has since pulled all the way back here. Like I said, chart's not ruined, but things are looking shaky for sure. And in my mind, going into Friday, the key level to watch, and remember, markets are closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. But the key level, and this is what I would definitely call a must-hold level, is right there at 40 cents. Why is 40 cents so important? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but just for explanation's sake, let's say that the price comes down to 40 and then just continues on down. What would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would have the price quite literally right back to where it was before the breakout. And not to insult your intelligence, but breakouts that go back to where they were, not exactly the sign of a truly strong breakout. Whereas on the flip side of things, because nothing can go straight up, so if it came down here, however, in this situation, behave like that before starting to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, at least at that point in time, you'd have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. So that's why, yeah, today things are looking shaky, but the price does still have the opportunity from an overall perspective to chip away and build that higher base. Now, there is also perspective that goes into this. If you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, yeah, from that framework of reference, the chart looks really bad for you. But assuming you care about the bigger picture of things, yeah, a bigger pullback, but the price does still have that opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. Now, if the price does start to return back upwards in the very near term, that first key level of resistance is going to be right there at 48 cents. Then after 48, you can start to, talk about more of those levels up in the 50s, but no point in talking about anything above 50 right now until the price can first prove itself in the near term. And again, quote unquote, prove itself being defined and quantified as getting back up above 48 cents. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.